Penis. Phimosis. It is inability to retract the prepuce over the glands. Causes. 1. Congenital, in which case the child has pinhole meatus and ballooning of prepuce occurs when the child urinates. Balanitis, inflammation of glands, and balanoposthitis, inflammation of glands, prepuce and sac. Common in diabetics. Patients with phimosis are more prone for recurrent infection, smegma collection and carcinoma penis. Treatment: circumcision. Problems due to phimosis. XX recurrent balanoposthitis, XX paraphimosis, XX ballooning of prepusal skin, XX prepusal calculi formation due to smegma collection in prepusal sac, XX retention of urine, XX carcinoma of penis later. Paraphimosis treatment. Inability to place back, cover, the retracted preputial skin over the glands is called as paraphimosis. It causes ring-like constriction proximal to the corona and prepusal skin. As a result, the glands will be swollen, edematous with severe pain and tenderness. Often glands will undergo necrosis or becomes gangrenous. Paraphimosis is precipitated after sexual intercourse or iatrogenically after urethral catheterization. Treatment. Manual reduction of prepusal skin is to be tried. If not possible, initial dorsal slit is made to relieve the edema and compression. Antibiotics and analgesics are given. Circumcision is done after 3 weeks. Sedation and hyaluronidase injection in 10 ml saline into the constriction ring or multiple needle punctures over the edematous part reduces the edema and makes the paraphimosis to get reduced. Later circumcision should be done. Circumcision. Indications. XX religious, phimosis, XX paraphimosis after doing initial dorsal slit, XX balanitis and balanoposthitis, common in diabetics, XX early carcinoma of prepuce or glands penis, both diagnostic as well as therapeutic purpose. A. XX certain sexually transmitted diseases, e.g. herpes infection procedure. In children, it is done under G.A. In adults, it is done under local anesthesia. After cleaning and draping, L.A. 1% lignocaine, plain, injected circumferentially near the root of the penis, is given, ring block. Dorsal skin is cut up to the corona and later circumferentially and ventrally. B. Figs. 26. The skin is cut with inner layer. Care is taken to see that optimum, less, skin is cut ventrally to prevent the occurrence of chordee. Frenular artery is transfixed and ligated ventrally using chromic catgut, 2-0 or 3-0. Small bleeders are also ligated. Skin is opposed to the cut edge of corona using interrupted chromic catgut sutures. Postoperatively, antibiotics and analgesics are given. B. Complications. XX reactionary hemorrhage due to slipping of ligature from frenular artery and dorsal vein. Fig. 26. Infection. XX stricture urethra near the external meatus in children. XX chordee due to removal of excess skin on the ventral aspect. XX rarely priapism can occur. Hollister bell cap technique, plastibell device. The specially devised plastic cap can be fitted over the glans penis and prepuce is rolled over it. A tight ligature is tied over it near base of the prepuce. In 7 days, skin and prepuce sloughs off and sheds with the cap. Bleeding will not occur due to thrombosis of prepusal vessels. Technique can be used for religious circumcision, balanoposthitis without phimosis. It is contraindicated in phimosis and paraphimosis. Note: Circumcision by guillotine is a method done by pulling and stretching the preputial skin beyond the glands and cutting the prepuce. It should be condemned and not be done as injury to glands is common. It is practiced in religious circumcision. Monopolar cautery should not be used in circumcision as penis may go for necrosis, and so bipolar cautery should be used judicially. BALANOPOSTHITIS. It is inflammation of glands and prepuce. Inflammation of prepuce is posthitis, of the glands is balanitis. B causes XX diabetes mellitus, candidiasis XX venereal diseases like syphilis, herpes. It can cause phimosis, carcinoma penis. Clinical features: pain, swelling, discharge. Treatment: antibiotics. Circumcision, the diabetes is controlled. CHORDEE, CORDEE, it is fixed bending of glans penis, more obvious during erection. Types: ventral, dorsal. Causes 3/4. Hypospadias, where urethra opens more proximally than normal, ventral chordae. 3/4 Fig. 26.142, extensive balanopostitis. After circumcision, if more skin is cut over the ventral aspect, ventral chordae. In epispadias, dorsal chordae occurs. Treatment: 3/4. 3/4 tamoxifen 20 mg daily. 1051. Chordae due to hypospadias is corrected during staged procedure. 3/4. In chordae following circumcision, initially stilbestrol 6 mg daily is given. Later chordae is corrected surgically by excising fibrous tissue and later doing skin grafting. More often they require surgical intervention. Priapism. It is persistent, painful erection of penis. Corpora cavernosa are filled with blood due to defective venous drainage. Glands and corpus spongiosum are not involved. B causes: XX idiopathic thrombosis of corpora cavernosa, XX idiopathic thrombosis of prostatic venous plexus, XX sickle cell disease, leukemia, XX secondary deposits in corpora cavernosa, XX spinal injury or diseases. It can be ischemic, low flow, non-ischemic, high flow, and stuttering, intermittent. Investigations: 3/4. Relevant for specific causes. 3/4. Doppler duplex US scan is done. Arteriogram often with embolization is often done. Treatment: 3/4. Doppler guided aspiration. Intracavernous injection of adrenergic agonists like phenylephrine are non-surgical methods. 3/4. Anastomosis between corpora cavernosa and saphenous vein. Anastomosis between corpora cavernosa and corpus spongiosum. Peyronie's disease, induratio penis plastica. It is development of fibrous tissue plaque on the covering of corpus cavernosum and later involving its full extent resulting in induration of corpus. It is a slowly progressive disease of uncertain etiology, may be due to old trauma, often associated with depouilletance contracture, retroperitoneal fibrosis and plantar fasciitis. Initial active phase has painful erection with changing deformity of penis. Later quiescent phase has disappearance of painful erection with development of deformity which is painless. Later erectile dysfunction, penile shortening occurs. Indurated plaque is noticed in the penis. Treatment: some cases resolve spontaneously. Drugs: 3/4. Steroids: 3/4. Vitamin E: 3/4. Potassium amino benzoate 12 mg per day. Tamoxifen 20 mg daily. Tafenadine and fexofenadine. Colchicine therapy. Intralesional injection of verapamil 10 mg once in 2 weeks, 12 injections. Surgery is needed in many cases. Excision and plication to opposite side, Fitzpatrick operation. Multiple incisions over the fibrous plaque and temporal fascia bridging, Gelhardt's operation. Excision of fibrous plaque and corporotomy is covered with overlay flap like tunica vaginalis flap, Lockhart's, dermal flap, Devine and Horton's. Intracorporeal penile prosthesis placement. Ram's horn penis. Filarial involvement of penis where it becomes thick, distorted and resembles horn of a ram. Carcinoma penis. It is commonly squamous cell carcinoma, but melanoma, adenocarcinoma from Tyson's gland, basal cell carcinoma and secondaries may also occur. Etiology. Chronic balanoposthitis, phimosis, sexually transmitted diseases, leukoplakia of glands, long-standing genital warts, Paget's disease of penis, erythroplasia of queretis, persistent rawness of glans penis. Condyloma acuminata, by human papillomavirus, Balanitis xerotica obliterans. HIV infection, HPV-16. 3/4. Circumcision during infancy confers total immunity against carcinoma penis. 3/4. It is common in Asia and Africa. Pathology. Infiltrating type occurs in a pre-existing leukoplakia. It often presents as indurated area. Papilliferous type eventually attains a large size, forming a fungating foul-smelling lesion which often gets infected. Ulcerative type. 3/4. Glans penis is the most common site, coronal sulcus for basal cell carcinoma. 3/4. 80% are of low-grade tumors. Spread. Through lymphatics, it spreads to the horizontal group of inguinal lymph nodes which become nodular and hard. Lymph nodes on both sides can get involved. Later, external iliac group are involved, above and on medial aspect of the inguinal ligament. Once inguinal lymph nodes are fixed, it causes severe excruciating pain and lymphedema. Fixed lymph node status indicates the advancement of the disease. It may erode into the femoral vessels causing torrential hemorrhage and death. Fungation can occur. From glands, it also spreads to cloacae lymph node which is located in femoral canal. Carcinoma from shaft of penis can spread directly to the external iliac lymph nodes. It spreads proximally to the body of penis causing induration. Urethral meatus may get involved causing alteration in urinary stream. It is a locoregional malignant disease. Blood spread is rare. Clinical features. In an adult, recent onset of phimosis should raise the suspicion of carcinoma penis. Lesion is painless initially but later becomes painful due to secondary infection, often accompanied by discharge which is foul-smelling, purulent and irritating. Altered urinary stream, fungation and induration, everth edge, often extending into the body of penis. Palpable hard, nodular inguinal lymph nodes on both sides may be present. External iliac lymph nodes may be palpable. Pain, edema, tenderness, redness develops once infection occurs. Investigations. Wedge biopsy from the lesion shows squamous cell carcinoma with epithelial pearls. B. Broders grading. XX very well differentiated, 75% epithelial pearls, XX well differentiated, 50 to 75%, XX moderately differentiated, 25 to 50%, XX undifferentiated, less than 25%. FNAC of lymph nodes, no open biopsy for lymph nodes. Ultrasound abdomen, to look for involvement of external iliac lymph nodes. SLNB, Cabana sentinel node is located above and medial to the junction of saphenous and femoral vein. It is the first node to get involved in carcinoma penis. So the sentinel lymph node biopsy, SLNB, after isosulfan blue dye injection into the primary is done to decide for the necessity for ilioinguinal block dissection. Staging of carcinoma of penis. B. Broders grading Jackson staging of carcinoma penis stage 1, tumor involving only glands, prepuce, both survival. 90% 5-year. Stage 2, tumor extending into AB fix, 26.153. Body of penis. 70%. Stage 3, tumor having mobile inguinal nodes, 50%. Stage 4, tumor spreading to adjacent structures, fixed nodes, 5%. TNM staging of carcinoma penis, AJCC, 8th edition, 2018, Texas. Primary tumor cannot be assessed. T0, no evidence of primary tumor. TIS, carcinoma in situ, penile intraepithelial neoplasia, pain, TA, non-invasive localized squamous cell carcinoma. T1, glands tumor invades lamina propria. Foreskin, tumor invades dermis, lamina propria or dartos fascia. Shaft, tumor invades connective tissue between epidermis and corpora regardless of location. All sites with or without lymphovascular invasion or perineural invasion and is or is not high grade. T1A is without invasion and not high grade. T1B is with invasion or is high grade. T2, tumor invades corpus spongiosum with or urethral invasion. T3, tumor invades corpora cavernosa with or without urethral invasion. T4, tumor invades into adjacent structures like prostate, scrotum, pubic bone. CNX, regional nodes cannot be assessed. CN0, no palpable or visible enlarged inguinal nodes. CN1, palpable mobile unilateral inguinal lymph node. CN2, palpable mobile unilateral is greater than or equal to 2 inguinal lymph nodes. CN3, palpable fixed inguinal nodal mass or pelvic lymphadenopathy unilateral or bilateral. CM0, no distant metastases. CM1, distant metastases. PM1, distant metastasis microscopically confirmed. Staging. Stage 0 is TIS N0M0. Stage 0A, TA N0M0. Stage 1, T1A N0M0. Stage EA, T1B, 2, N0M0. Stage E, T3 N0M0. Stage EA, T1 to 3, N1M0. Stage IIIB, T1 to 3, N2M0. Stage 4, T4 NENM0, NETN3M0, NETNENM1. Treatment. If growth involves the glands without extending into the proximal part of shaft of the penis, then partial amputation of the penis is done. A length of 2.5 cm stump is retained. Clearance of 2 cm from the proximal extended part of the tumor is needed. Advantage is proper streaming of the urine is possible. Partial amputation of penis with bilateral ilioinguinal lymph node block dissection is called as Young's operation. If tumor involves the proximal part of the body of penis or if it is anaplastic, poorly differentiated tumor, total amputation of penis is done with perineal urethrostomy. Problems with perineal urethrostomy are scrotal ammoniacal dermatitis and stricture at urethrostomy site. Dermatitis is prevented by asking the patient to urinate in sitting position, lifting the scrotum upwards. Stricture needs dilatation. Total scrotectomy with orchidectomy is done along with total amputation of the penis, Sapiecy-Gold operation. It prevents frequent dermatitis of the scrotal skin because of the perineal urethrostomy and also reduces the sexual desire. In case of carcinoma in situ, T1 lesion of glans penis or well-differentiated tumor in young individual, circumcision and curative radiotherapy to the penis can be given using radioactive tantalum via implantation, 6000 centigrays in 7 days, or by wearing radium penyl mold continuously or intermittently, 6000 centigrays in 7 days, or by linear accelerator external beam radiotherapy, 6000 centigrays in 5 weeks. Involvement of nodes in these patients is less than 10%. When lymph nodes are involved and are mobile, bilateral ilioinguinal nodal dissection is done. 3/4. Primary inguinal block is doing block dissection within 4 weeks of surgery for primary tumor. 3/4. Secondary inguinal block is doing block dissection after 4 weeks of surgery for primary disease. Only 50% of palpable inguinal nodes are involved by metastatic spread. So often a course of antibiotic is given and waited for 4 to 6 weeks. Complications of ilioinguinal block dissection are flap necrosis, lymphedema of lower limb, femoral blowout, infection, lymphoria and hemorrhage. If primary tumor is poorly differentiated, and if tumor is T2 or above, chances of inguinal nodal spread is more than 50% and so a prophylactic inguinal nodal dissection is done. 1055 and 3/4. Often, involvement of inguinal nodes may be due to infection. So a trial of antibiotic therapy is given for 4 to 6 weeks to reduce the size of the inguinal node. 3/4. Removal of iliac nodes does not alter the outcome. It is done to confirm the spread, so that further therapy can be planned and prognosis can be predicted. Postoperative radiotherapy to inguinal region is often given. In advanced fixed inguinal nodes, palliative external radiotherapy is given. It is to palliate pain, fingation and anticipated erosion into femoral vessels. Topical 5-FU cream or imiquimab or Mohs surgery or limited wide excision or ND, YAG laser photoirradiation is useful in carcinoma in situ. Chemotherapy, 5-FU, methotrexate, bleomucin, cisplatin and vincristine. MVP, VBM combinations are used. Bleomycin is a radiosensitizer and so beneficial if RT is planned later. Note: Dressler's quadrangle. Upper border is formed by line joining anterosuperior iliac spine and pubert tubercle. Laterally line joining anterosuperior iliac spine and a 0.20 cm below it. Medially pubert tubercle and a 0.15 cm below it. Nodal block dissection for carcinoma penis should cover this area adequately. Elective prophylactic inguinal block is done in high-risk group, invasive carcinoma, T2 and T3 tumors, with vascular invasion. Therapeutic inguinal block is done whenever FNAC of node shows positive tumor. Superficial lymph node block is dissection superficial to facial lata in N0 disease. It should undergo frozen section biopsy. If nodes are positive, then formal block dissection should be done. Standard inguinal lymphadenectomy is classical block dissection. Modified inguinal block dissection, Catalona, small incision, limited dissection, preservation of saphenous vein. Role of radiotherapy in carcinoma penis XX carcinoma in situ XX small lesion less than 2 cm XX lesion confined to glans XX small lesion in young individual. XX advanced inoperable disease XX palliation to inoperable inguinal nodes in groin. XX postoperative RT. Complications of inguinal block dissection. XX hemorrhage, XX lymphoria, XX lymphedema. XX infection, XX flap necrosis, common. BUSCHKE Lowenstein tumor. Fig. 26.1. It is verrucous carcinoma of penis, 5 to 15% common. It is a curable malignancy. It is locally destructive, locally invasive. It is often large, exophytic, dry, verrucine-like growth. Neither spreads through lymphatics nor blood. After biopsy and confirmation, surgical excision or partial amputation is the treatment of choice. Radiotherapy should not be given. Virus etiology is proposed. HPV 6 and 11. Systemic interferon alpha therapy and ND, YAG laser therapy is successful.